come in? Oh, you must be the new cook Marguerite hired. Sup, dude? Yeah, that's me. She told me about you. You must be Paul, right? The chef? My name is Pierre, and yes, I am the chef here. Word. Nice to meet you, bro. Wise, bro. What is your name? Name's Will. Well, William, do you mind telling me your qualification? Marguerite went on vacation and didn't tell me anything. She only said that she hired a new cook. Qualifications? Yes, where you studied. Oh, the School of Hard Knocks, bro. Hard Knocks. Never heard of that. Is that in Britain or America? Nah, dude, I didn't go to any school. I've just always been good at cooking and shit. Cooking's like a vibe for me, dude. A vibe? Mon Dieu. But I've always wanted to study it here in France, or like you guys say it, France, right? That big fancy school, Le Cordon Bleu. Le Cordon Bleu. That's the one, dude. That's the one. I suppose I'll have to teach you the basics of how things work around here. Let's go, dude! I can't wait to put on one of those crazy tall hats. The toque blanc. No, those are for chefs only. Just put on your apron and the side towel. You can change in the room back there. You got it. Phew! Phew! Bless you. S'il vous plaît, don't do that again. If you're sick, wear a mask. This is a kitchen. Don't worry, dude. I'm not sick. I just got like a ton of allergies. I'm always sneezing and shit. Allergies? Yeah, I've had them since I was a kid. Like pollen, dust. I'm super allergic to spices. It's crazy, dude. I wonder why Marguerite hired you. What? Nothing. May I ask how much she's paying you? Oh, nah, dude. I'm just here to learn. Like, cooking is my passion, bro, and I'm not in it for the money. That explains a lot. Anyway, come with me. I'll show you how to make the restaurant's signature dish, pelure poivre, our most spicy specialty. For sure, dude. Let's fucking go. Yes, for sure. So here is the chicken breast. We coat it lightly with olive oil, then sear it until golden. Next, we add the cognac and creme and watch it carefully. Perfect. Now add a dash of... You dropped the spoon. No sweat, dude. I'm crazy good at picking shit up with my toes. What? No. Don't. I'll pick it up. There. Now mix these two together. Looking good, bro. This is good shit. We're just starting. Okay, now it's time for the spices. Spices? Yes. Pick up the pepper shaker and sprinkle generously. I use a lot of black pepper. It really brings the dish to life. Dude, this black pepper is potent shit. I think I'm gonna not on the food. Yeah. You must be able to sprinkle some pepper if you want to work in my kitchen. Bro, but pepper makes me sneeze my ass off. Then plug your nose and sprinkle it. But my allergies, dude, they're strong as fuck. Don't you dare. Bro, I can feel it building. It's coming. I'm gonna. Here, I have my finger under your nose, if that helps. Now, sprinkle the pepper. I can't help it, bro. I can't help it. Pepper makes me sneeze, dude. When my allergies flare up, there's no stopping them. I'm good. Phew. 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 Oh, mon Dieu. My masterpiece. You've ruined it. Oh, my bad, bro. Pierre, un cliente pregunta por qué puede escuchar tantos estornudos desde la cocina. Sorry. Pierre, a customer is asking why he can hear so many sneezes coming from the kitchen. It's the new kid. He has allergies. El cliente está un poco enojado, Pierre. What do I tell him? Tell him we're very sorry and today the food is on the house. Perfecto. William, you have got to control yourself. Or you'll have to leave. Bro, I swear I'm trying, but my nose has like a mind of its own or some shit. I'm short-handed today, so you'll have to fetch some spices from the cabinet. I'm sorry, but we cannot stop cooking every 5 minutes. You got it, boss, bro. What do you need? Paprika, cayenne, black pepper, white pepper, chili flakes, mustard seed, and whoa, that's like a sneeze cocktail, dude. Come on, William, I'm waiting. Here you go. Here you go, boss, bro. Don't sneeze. I gotta sneeze, bro. Phew. 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 Oh, my head. You sneezed off my head. Wait, dude. You're bald? Mon Dieu. What was Marguerite thinking? Get out of my kitchen. Later, dude. Bald ass motherfucker. Phew.